everyone. So today is, I don't know what day of quarantine it is, but it is Thursday and it's April 2nd. It's actually my mom's birthday today. She is turning 60 today, which is such a big milestone. My dad actually just turned 60 last month, well in February he turned 60. So it's just some exciting times, but I'm sad I'm not there. But next time I can see them, I will definitely celebrate with them. Today is actually grocery shopping day. Madeline and I are about to head out. I think we're gonna go to Trader Joe's and we're gonna get stuff for like hopefully the next 2 weeks. We actually haven't gone grocery shopping in almost 2 weeks, so I think it's been like 13 days. So we were able to make do with what we had for those days, which is good, but yeah, we have to head out. I have like a really long grocery list, so hopefully I can get mostly everything on my list. But I want to show you guys my outfit of the day because I'm actually wearing jeans. It's actually not an exciting outfit. I don't know why I want to show you guys, but I'm just happy I'm not in sweats right now. So also, I didn't brush my hair yet. I think my hairbrush is out there. I don't know why it's over there. Okay, so I'm just wearing this Harley t-shirt. It's the one with the rips in it. I got it from the Rose Bowl. And I'm just wearing some thrifted black jeans. I wear these all the time. And then I'm just wearing some Air Force Ones and also these cute little butterfly socks. And that is basically it. I have my bag. This is from Bando. It says, "You are worth it." Yeah, I'm gonna go grab another bag also because I am gonna be getting a lot of groceries and I will show you guys everything that I get when I get back home. But yeah, I think Madeline is waiting for me out there, so let's go and head to Trader Joe's. I'm actually really nervous. Well, not really nervous, but I think it's gonna be a super long line and yeah, hopefully it goes well, but I will keep you guys updated afterwards on how it went. So wish me luck. Look at you wearing a cute little dress. Hopefully we see some cute boys. Hopefully. For you. We're hoping. Sometimes Trader Joe's has some nice looking fellas.
If you guys are looking for a nice fella.
Also, Madeline and I started this little thing, which we haven't really kept up yet.
I did write a new thing on it.
Did you? Start taxes. Oh, I need to do that too. So basically we're doing like the task of the day. We're supposed to write it down, and then if we get the task of the day finished, we get a point. And then the other extra point is if we do a workout, read our Bible, and clean at the end of the day, then we get another point.
Which we did not get a point yesterday from cleaning, obviously.
Oh yeah, we didn't clean.
But that's okay.
It's okay. Sometimes you just don't want to do it.
Comment down below what the winning person should get whenever this.
Oh yeah, when this thing is over, what should we get as the prize?
What should the winner get today?
Yeah. Also, we're gonna be doing a Christmas day one of these days. Oh, here's my brush. Ha. Madeline has had this for like 2 months just sitting here, so we decided we're gonna do a Christmas day where we listen to Christmas music, bake cookies, decorate this. It's gonna be a grand time, so looking forward to that. But okay, let me grab some more bags here. These bags from Home Goods honestly are the best. They're so big, but I've actually broken 1 or 2 of them, so they don't hold that much like weight, but they're really big. I like this one. All right.
Okay.
So let's head out after you're done. Good job, Mag. Do I'm gonna give you a point?
No.
I actually almost forgot my list. Cannot forget that. That would be very sad. Look at everything. And I'm probably gonna get way more stuff because every time I go to Trader Joe's, I always, you know, get tempted to buy other stuff, so. Okay, so we just got home and I'm gonna give you guys a little Trader Joe's haul. I bought so much. I think I spent $102. I think that's the most I've ever spent at Trader Joe's. So let's do this quickly because I am actually really hungry, so I'm probably gonna eat grilled cheese and tomato soup. Sounds very good. First up, I got these honey hedgehog cookies. I meant to get cookie butter so I could dip these in them, but I totally forgot the cookie butter, which I'm very sad about. Have to get that in 2 weeks when I go back. So this is a favorite of mine. It's the corn rolled tortilla chips. Love it. Got some bananas, got some eggs, butter, Parmesan cheese. This is something that was like an impulse buy, but like you gotta have a few of those when you go to Trader Joe's. So I got the dark chocolate crisps. These are thin, curved waves of Belgian chocolate with crunchy rice bits. Have you ever tried this before?
Oh, do you remember those things back in the day? They were like Pringles, but they were called like Stacks or something. No, but they were like That and they came in like multiple chocolate flavors.
I do not remember that. But now I'm looking at this, I was thinking it was a chip rolled in chocolate. It's not, so we'll have to try those out. Got some plain yogurt for a recipe that I'm gonna do. Some cream cheese. I love this corn salsa, it's so good. Got some normal salsa to go with these chips. These are the white corn restaurant style chips with lime. Carrie told me about these back in the day and I keep getting them and they're so good. I got this perfect bar. We ran out of cinnamon, so I got some of that. Some coconut milk. I got some chicken because I'm gonna make some chicken tacos eventually. Flour tortillas. Wow, I got so much. Okay, I got this chicken burrito bowl, just like a freezer meal in case, you know, having a lazy day, which is every day. I got these chicken taquitos. I've gotten these before and they're really good. Wait, I didn't get the chicken ones before. That'll be interesting. No, I got the bean and cheese ones last time. A few more things of frozen berries. Got some sweet potato gnocchi. Okay, this is a really weird buy. I don't even remember buying this. It's the beef and broccoli medley. It sounds incredible. Got some oat milk. I got a margarita pizza. You know, some days you're just feeling like a frozen pizza will do the trick, and I think that'll be good. Don't have to explain myself every time. Next, I got some sourdough bread. Got this hefty looking lime. This is not a lime, it's a sweet onion. Okay, got one of those. Got some black beans, some spinach, chocolate chips, because we've been baking up a storm over here. Got some mandarins. I got some chicken broth just in case we want to make a soup. I got my favorite tomato sauce. It's the Arabiat. Okay, I cannot pronounce it. It's this kind. Got some more cocoa powder for our desserts that we've been making. And that is everything. Wow, is it? Yes. So I'm gonna actually wipe some of this stuff down with like sanitizing spray. So I'm gonna do that and then put everything away. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little TJ haul. Now I have to go, well, after I do this, I'm going to call my mother because I have not called her yet for her birthday, to wish her a happy birthday. So gotta do that and then I'll make my lunch. So I just got off the phone with my mom and I sang her happy birthday, you know. She's doing good. She said she's been on the phone with so many people today for her birthday, so we didn't talk for too long. So what I'm gonna do right now, it's like 5:30 and I do wanna go for a walk, but before I do that, I want to clean up this porch a bit. So it has rained a lot here in the last few weeks and the ground has so many like dead, dried up worms. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, so sorry about that. But this is what I'm talking about. Like literally like all over the ground, like little pieces of dried up worms. I honestly don't understand why and how there are worms on our balcony. I don't really understand that. I always never actually understood that, but I felt like it was something like it came up from the ground like in the grass and then it would like come on the cement. But we're on the second floor and like there's no grass around here, so I'm just a little bit confused. But I don't make the rules. I don't know where they come from. All I know is I want to sweep them all up and throw them away. So that's what we're gonna do because tomorrow I am planning on doing my tie-dyeing video for my main channel. If you got, excuse me?
You are?
Madeline's listening again. I cannot get away from her. She's everywhere. Just kidding, love her. What was I just talking about? Oh yeah, I want to do the tie-dye tomorrow. So in order to do that, I have to sweep up the dead worms or else that would just not be cute. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep these mother frickin' worms up because they don't belong here.
I'm just making TikToks.
There she is. This is what I'm talking about. Look at how gross these are. They're everywhere. And also, I need to dispose of this. Maybe I can throw this away today. This is just bad. Yeah, I need to do something with that. Did most of it and now some of these are just not coming off, so we're gonna individually scrape the dead worms off. And yes, I know that this is the content that you guys subscribed for, so I'm very happy to do my part here. So what you doing over there?
Just saying what hats fit my head.
Nice.
Pretty busy over here today.
Oh yeah, scraping dead worms off, seeing what hats
All
fit.
of our hats.
I go by every dead worm that I need to scrape.
I don't think I want to play that.
You don't? It sounds like a fun game.
Maybe we should just flood this
Yeah, let's flood it.
for TikTok.
Yeah, do it for TikTok. Look at this guy, he's like cemented on it. How am I supposed, look at, he's like part of the concrete now. He's not coming off. Is it satisfying? Satisfying my dead worms. We're gonna take this apart, throw it away downstairs, and go for a walk. Okay, so here's a tutorial on how to take this apart.
This is a hack.
This is a really good hack. Just throw it off the side of the building.
Get a jump
Step
rope.
1, knock it over.
Okay.
Step 2, twist. Should I keep these?
Yeah.
And then get new tops. So the tip is to keep these because you can, from IKEA you can get new tops. But, you know,
Hi. Hi. You're kind of bored?
I said I'm 3 years old.
Oh.
You thought you were asking how old are you?
Bye.
And see.
Okay, I don't know if you guys are on TikTok, but I saw this hair tutorial by JC Marie. We love her, of straightening her hair in like this. And so that's what I did with my hair today. And that's so cute.
Okay, so we just got back from our walk a few minutes ago. I washed my hands, we're all good. And then I picked up this package that my mom sent to me on her birthday. She sent me a package. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up, even though I already know what it is, but I just wanna open it up on camera. Yes. This is the best game ever. So the story with this is that Madeline's grandparents actually got us onto this game, and we would play it with them whenever we would go and visit. And it's such a fun game, and you can actually play it with just 2 people. So my mom actually had gotten this for me my last birthday, but then I left it because she got it for me when I was back home. So I left it there. So I told them that they could just go ahead and keep it there. So my mom gave me a new one to have here, which I'm really excited about because now Madeline and I can have something to do at night. Like while we're watching a show or something, we can play this. It's actually a really fun game. So if you guys live with like one other person or up to 4 people can play this. Like my favorite way to play it is with 3 people, but you can play it up to 4 as well as 2 people. I'll leave a link to this on Amazon if you guys want to purchase it, because I would highly suggest picking it up if you guys are bored and need like a fun game. So it's like 7 o'clock and Madeline and I are both not hungry at all. So, you know, usually this is the time when we make food, but we're both not hungry. And at 8 o'clock, we're both joining a Bible study that's like on a Zoom call with our church. So that's at 8. I'm also like kind of sweating a little bit. That walk was actually so good. I want to see how many steps I took. We're trying to like at least get 5,000 steps a day. Ooh, I did really good. I got 7,269 steps. Super exciting. We actually found so many awesome new places while we were walking that is in our neighborhood. We found like a few different coffee shops that are still open that we want to go to eventually and just like walk there. It's actually really fun to like walk in our neighborhood because we find so many new places that I never knew about. So unless I do anything exciting for the rest of the night, I might go ahead and end this vlog off, but I'll see. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I forgot to end off the vlog, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Sorry this vlog was a little bit boring, but you know, we're all living in quarantine, so I hope you guys liked it anyways, and stay tuned for another vlog soon. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt.